close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you all doing well. So if you're new to my channel or you're watching my videos for the first time, do hit the subscribe button, the red color button which is subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, and next to that there is a bell icon as well. Hit that bell icon so that whenever I posted a new video, you will get notified and you can watch my videos on the same time. So let's get started with today's video now. So today, as you can see, I am carrying a party wear look right now, and if you want to know how I created this look, so please keep on watching. So I already applied this saffron gel as a moisturizer as it's summer. So next I'm gonna apply this lip balm. This is Happy Lips from Color Fever. Then I'm gonna apply this Stay Matte primer from Rimmel, as I'm feeling like really oily these days, so I thought to use a mattifying primer instead of using a poreless primer. So after applying the primer, we have to wait for like 2 to 3 minutes at least. So in the meantime, I'm just going to do my brows. So I'm taking this eyebrow kit in the shade medium from Wellll, and I'm taking an angular brush. I'm just going in a very small strokes, with that too a little quantity, like a little amount of the product. In that way only you will get fuller and a natural looking eyebrows, not a dramatic one. So starting from the mid, going to the end, then coming back to the inner part. So you can see the difference, so do fill in your eyebrows. So next I'm gonna run this fully on my eyebrows because I don't have the eyebrow setter right now. So it's done. Next I'm gonna take this contour cream palette from Me Now. So I'm using it for the first time. It has all the beautiful shades, like the creme contours, all like color correcting, and the contour one. So firstly I'm taking this green shade right here to cancel out my red area, as green cancel out the redness. So I thought to use this one, but this is a really lighter shade for my skin tone. So next I'm gonna apply this yellow color corrector on my dark circles, and somewhere I have pigmentation, I'm gonna apply it over there, but again it's a very light yellow for me. So let's see how this turns out. So I'm not gonna use any concealer on the top of this, otherwise I will look cakey, so I'm not going to use that one. Now I'm taking this beauty blender from Morphe. I'm just gonna blend it well so that it will not gonna look a white or a cakey look. So I'm directly going in with the foundation on the top of it. So I'm using this Fit Me foundation in the shade 125. I'm taking it in the back of my hand, and then just I'm going directly with the beauty blender, and I'm blending it well to not to get a cakey look. And yes, I'm using this foundation for the first time. I know it's in the market for a very long time, but yes guys, it's my first time I'm using this one. I feel this is a light weighted foundation and it's not a full coverage foundation, but it's fine. As you can see, my neck and my face, it's big difference. So let's just even it out. I'm taking more foundation to put it on my neck to make it even, and I'm applying it. I'm blending it well. Blending is the mantra, guys. So blend well wherever you're applying the product. Apply it well and then blend it more well. More you blend, more you get the flawless and a radiance look. Now I'm gonna take this shade right here to contour my whole face. Yes, I'm using this creme contouring products for the first time, so let's see how it turns out. I'm taking a very thin line, like I'm applying a very thin line, then I'm making it wide with the leftover product on the brush. Okay, now I'm taking it, I'm just applying it on my forehead to not to look more white. I'm really concentrating on everything, and I'm applying it on my jawline. my double chin. Okay, and I'm just gonna blend everything out very beautifully. Like, we have to blend it upwards. Either you blend it upwards or you have to blend it on the same place where you have applied the product, but blend well. Now I'm taking this shade right here, I'm taking it on my nose. I'm making my big fat nose into a shapy nose. Yeah, so I'm applying it like this, cutting it from here, and then blend well. That's the main thing. You have to blend everything out well, otherwise you will look dramatic, or you will look your face will look very cakey. So blend well. Blending is the mantra, guys. Yes. Now I'm taking this translucent powder. It's from Oriflame, like D1, and I'm just gonna take it on the wet beauty blender. If you're using a beauty blender, you have to always go with a wet beauty blender. So I'm just applying it and I'm just pushing it in, like I'm blending it well with that same beauty blender. I cannot get over this one. I always apply this one. I am not a very big fan of compact powders or baking powders. I love translucent powder. It magically does their works. Yes. Blend, blend, blend. And also I'm applying it on under my contour line. Now I'm taking this bronzer in the shade Sunny from NYC. I'm taking it on a contour brush and I'm applying it right where I have applied the creme product. Don't leave it like this, otherwise you will look very streaky. So blend it upwards, like to get a very bronzy look. And if you will feel you have more product on your face, like more product you have applied it by mistake, so just take a wet beauty blender and start blending it, or you can apply a compact powder on the top of it. So now I'm taking a small angular brush. I'm just going in onto my nose. Now I'm taking this makeup setting spray. It's in matte from BH Cosmetic, and I'm going in an XNT motion, and I leave it like this, like let it air dry, and my hand becomes usually the fan for my face. So I want a semi dry. So once I feel like it's semi dry, I'm taking a beauty blender, I'm pushing it like inwards, like I'm pushing it, the product. If any extra product will be on my face, it will be up on the beauty blender, and I will have the radiance look on my face, not a cakey one. Now it's eye time. So I'm taking this no name eyeshadow palette that I ordered it from wish.com. I feel it has a very beautiful shades. I don't know whether it's pigmented or not. It just says EO2 at the right bottom corner at the back. That's it. So let's see, let's just start using this one. So I'm gonna take this lightest shade right here, and I'm gonna set everything out on my eyelid. And now I'm taking this peachy corally shade to do my crease. Initially I didn't get the color, so I try to build up the color with the same shade. Now for the third time I'm using it. Now I got the color. So it says like it's not pigmented basically. So now I'm taking this pink shade and I'm making my crease like more depth, more a deadly look, eh? I'm blending. You can see I am patting the product, then I'm blending it well. I'm more concentrating on blending. That's what we have to do. After applying the product, we have to blend well. Now I'm taking this purple shade right here, patting it at the outer corner, blending it inwards. As you can see now, concentrate more on blending. Now I'm taking this flat shader brush and I'm making it wet, and now I'm taking this green shade and I'm just applying it on my lids like downwards. Why I wet the brush? Because I want a more poppy look on my lids. That's it. Make sure you have a flat shader brush to put any product on your eyelids basically. With this flat shader brush, you can even give a cut crease look without applying the concealer. So you can see how I'm really concentrating on this. So now I'm just taking a bit like a blending brush, and I'm just cancelling out the harsh edges. Now I'm taking this black eyeshadow, and I'm just enhancing my outer V corner. Now I'm taking this glide on pencil in the shade Apathy from Urban Decay. I'm just gliding it on to my lower lash line. It really glides well, really. And now I'm taking this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade Black, obviously, and I'm just intensifying, like I'm applying it on my waterline. I'm like making sure that my kajal should be intensely black. So I'm just layering it up. Now I'm just tight lining my eye. Now I'm taking this black sketch eyeliner from Me Now, and I'm just applying the sketch eyeliner like we usually do. I'm not making any dramatic look. I'm not making any you know, heavy winged look. No, I'm just applying it like normally we do it. Sketch eyeliners are really handy, really. So now I'm taking I'm just making my lower lash line a very smudgy look. Now I'm taking this fake Huda Beauty shimmer lip shade in the shade Golden. I love to use this golden shade on my eyelids. So I need a hint of golden color on my green eyeshadow. So I thought to use this one. Now I'm taking this mascara from Physician Formula. I'm just applying it like a very little amount. And now I'm applying the falsies. Yeah. I'm really concentrating on this thing. Okay, and now you can see the difference, guys. It all depends upon you if you want to apply the mascara, and yeah, don't forget your lower lash line if you have applied the falsies. Now I'm taking this blusher from Hikari in the shade Desire. I'm taking it on a blush brush, and then I'm applying it on the apple of my cheeks and blending it well. And I'm taking this illuminator from Mana Kadars, and I'm applying it and I'm patting it up. And then I'm taking this Pro Illuminator from Makeup Revolution. This is a powdery one, and I'm applying it with my finger. This is how you can apply a illuminator, like in a very poppy look. And now to the bridge of my nose, and now to the cupid's bow, and now to my brow bone, and now to the inner corners. This just enhances everything. And now it's time for my lips. So I'm using this lip run in the shade Pink from Very Me Oriflame. This is really a very beautiful pink shade, like a different pinks. I don't have any lip color with this same shade. So I'm applying it. Firstly, I'm lip lining it, and then I'm just applying it. I'm just filling it with that same. So I'm happy. So guys, this is the final look. As you can see, this is how the look turns out. And if you like this look and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Taruneet Kaur. It's free, guys. So I'll see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.